We build our construction data from the bottom up by tracking individual construction projects throughout their life cycle, from the earliest incarnation in planning all the way through to groundbreaking. The Dodge Momentum Index is an index that tracks the dollar value of non residential building projects when they first enter those very, very earliest stages of planning. So, in a sense, it's a leading indicator of future construction activity. Avoid looking at any one given period or month as a discrete element. The value in the Dodge Momentum Index is looking at it as a trend over time. And in a sense, since it serves as a leading indicator for non residential building activity, it can give your business a head start on what you can expect to happen to your revenues in the future.